Welcome to another quick review. Guys, I am always working on kitchens and installing kitchen cabinets. I use a lot of jigs, but there's a really special jig I'd like to talk about today, which is going to be the door installation jig. That is going to be this little tool right here. It's an all aluminum construction, very heavy made, and it is made by a company called RUITOOL, R-U-I-T-O-O-L. Just to give you an idea of what all you're going to get, you get the actual tool mechanism itself. You get the instruction manual. They'll walk you through exactly how to use it. You're going to get a little assortment of drill bits and little collars so that you can drill everything out perfectly. And you even get the screw bit so that you can use that in your little impact or whatever to be able to put the screws in and all of your hinges and things like that. You get a couple of extra little guides in here, and they even go as far as to give you a bag, a really nice canvas bag to keep everything in. So if you're a contractor and you're going from job site to job site, you can easily find everything and keep it in one place. And if you're a DIYer, it keeps everything in a nice organized pouch so that you can put it in your toolbox or wherever you're going to keep it. If you look at this side, it actually has a clamping mechanism. This side is where the door is going to ride, and it moves up or down. So I'm simply going to take and open this up to where I can clamp onto my shelf, just like this. And I want to be closer to this side because I want to hold the edge. So I'm going to get over in here, maybe about right there, tighten it down. And now I can take my door, which I have the hinges here, and I can actually place it on here. And I will slide this up to where I want. Now I know the door is kind of blocking your view, so let me see if I can open it wider. So I'm going to take it here and I'm going to slide it up into place right where I want it. And then I'm just going to lock it in. All right. So now I would be able to actually attach my door. Well, where the beauty of this comes in is now I simply will move this over to the other side. This will already be set. I crank it down and each door will be exactly the same. So that's the main function of this jig for me. I use it to set the actual doors, and it does a few other functions as well and helps with, putting in little dowel pins and things like that for shelving. It can help you line those up because you can use this center part as a drilling hole and drill. There's a lot of other little functions it does, but the main reason I use this is to set my doors uniformly. So guys, I hope this helps. If you're looking for something that's going to make your cabinets look fantastic, I don't think you're going to go wrong by using this one. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.